Looking forward to seeing you back on my CryptoQ Media channel. Breaking news, XRP is booming. It seems like September is living up to our expectations of being a fantastic month. For many, the origin of the price fluctuations remains a puzzle. For XRP holders, though, what does this imply in addition? How does this factor into the overall cost over time? The Grayscale XRP Trust and its operation can be understood by subscribing and enjoying the post. It's fundamental to grasping the storyline of this film. Okay, then, I'll jump right in. A little under 12 hours ago, Grayscale made its XRP Trust official. According to the statement, approved investors who fulfill the requirements can now participate in the private placement of Grayscale XRP Trust, a new cryptocurrency investment fund with a single asset. That rules out the participation of average individuals like you and me who are looking to invest. However, we do not intend for that to be the case. This is the crux of the matter, I suppose. This is fantastic news for XRP holders, and I'll explain why. The incredible potential for increased adoption is just one of the many advantages. It is not allowed for the average investor because there is a lot more going on behind the scenes. Even more importantly, it is beginning a process that began 11 years ago, on September 25, 2013. How much was it? One such vague concept is the Bitcoin Trust. We all know that this was an initial trust, but it turned out to be a Grayscale exchange-traded fund ETF that has been reducing the value of Bitcoin over time. Grayscale was the pioneer among Bitcoin trusts. Keep in mind that, unlike trusts, exchange-traded funds ETFs cannot be sold to the public until they have received approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission. Just because someone can establish a trust doesn't mean they have to be the only one to contribute to it. Once they've been approved by the SEC, they transform into a product that can be traded. They pioneered the concept of a Bitcoin trust, which is quite novel. Many of you are likely curious as to whether or not they achieved anything similar with Ethereum. That is correct, and I concur. Additionally, they made history by releasing the first Ethereum trust. Imagine now that those two items are transformed into official ETF products in a legal context. This is the main reason why our plan is receiving so much enthusiasm. Also, I think everyone else does. I'm now of the opinion that Grayscale is at the front of an XRP ETF. Keeping this money is very important to them. This market share is very important to them. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, their long-term objective is to deplete the market, manipulate prices, and control supply. How does it appear in terms of possible timelines? Right now the general consensus is that we still have 6 to 8 months to go before we can purchase XRP ETF. Solana was considered to be the one by all. It seems like the odds of it being XRP have increased. Keep in mind that I will return to this topic to express my views. They introduced the first wave of exchange-traded funds ETFs to Wall Street, and now they've revealed the XRP Trust's expected product life cycle, which might result in an ETF down the road. Therefore, rather than mass usage, XRP is suited for adoption by institutions. Since XRP is rumored to be aggressively courting partnerships, things are likely to escalate soon. All of our USD will be issued through these same operational and institutional institutions, and we find it intriguing that XRP is continuously extending its footprint in institutional contexts. Thus, this is merely an additional component that is lacking. We can see that this is merely XRP Ripple laying the groundwork for future developments. With 10 worth of XRP in our crypto rank post, everyone is naturally eager about what's to come. There are a lot of people hoping for, and I would suppose expecting, a big spike in prices, but you know that price projections are very subjective. Potentially significant market activity would ensue in the event of a sudden market jump to 10, valuing us at approximately 600 billion, a 20-fold increase from our current level. A fee drop could be in the works as early as September 18th, which would be fantastic news. Consequently, we calculate the total cost of the event. No one should be surprised that we managed to get that enormous wick candle up to 5,920, I saw the news first thing in the morning. Also, at the moment, the price of one Bitcoin is around 58. It is possible that XRP will break free of the 62-cent barrier and retest it if new higher momentum is seen globally. Several bullish signs are currently present, including an upward trend in the longer-term volatility indicators and a northward trend in our RSI divergence. There is cause for celebration among all XRP stakeholders since I believe many are anticipating a 1,520 to 25% surge, similar to what happened with those ETFs. This is merely a notice, in case you were wondering. They are essentially stating their objectives in a public forum. Is this going to be a business deal or what? That question has now been put forward. Has the escrow release date been announced? If Ripple were to announce a partnership with GBTC or Grayscale, you would already be aware of the exchanges that would cover or purchase it. The presence of the spectator here is really appreciated. I am grateful if you are a new subscriber to my channel. Stay safe until then.